This video is for educational purposes only. Always follow your licensed medical provider's instructions. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to reconstitute peptides safely, calculate the correct dose, and perform a subcutaneous injection the right way, with an emphasis on sterile technique and avoiding the most common beginner mistakes. Section 1. What you'll need. Before you begin, make sure everything you need is laid out neatly on a clean surface. Essential supplies: lyophilized peptide vial, freeze-dried powder, bacteriostatic water bottle, alcohol prep wipes, insulin syringe, sharps disposal container, clean paper towel or sterile pad. These are standard supplies you'll see in nearly every peptide reconstitution guide. Section 2. Sterile technique is critical. One of the biggest sources of infection and complications is poor hygiene. Do this every time. Wash your hands thoroughly. Clean your workspace with an alcohol wipe. Wipe the top of both vials and your injection site with fresh alcohol wipes. Let the alcohol dry before touching. This step prevents contaminants from getting into your vial or under your skin. Section 3. Why use bacteriostatic water? We use bacteriostatic water because it contains a preservative that reduces bacterial growth if you need to use the vial multiple times after reconstitution. It's generally preferred over sterile water for multi-use vials, but it does not make the process sterile-proof. You still must be clean. Section 4. What reconstitution really means. Your peptide arrives as a freeze-dried powder. It's stable but unusable in that form until it's mixed with water. This process of adding water is called reconstitution. Section 5. Avoiding power wash and dissolving carefully. A big mistake beginners make is injecting liquid straight onto the powder. This is sometimes called a power wash. Instead, gently insert the needle and let the water run down the inside wall of the vial so the powder dissolves gradually. Do not shake the vial. Instead, gently swirl or roll until the powder fully dissolves. Section 6. Micrograms versus milliliters, the big confusion. This is one of the most confusing parts. Micrograms equals how much peptide you're taking. Milliliters per units equals how much liquid you draw into the syringe. A syringe measures liquid volume. It does not tell you how much peptide that liquid contains. Once the peptide is dissolved, the liquid contains peptide evenly throughout. Your dose depends on how concentrated that solution is, which changes based on how much water you added. Example: if you add water to 10 milligrams of peptide to make 2 milliliters total, that mixture has a specific concentration that a calculator can convert into syringe units. Section 7. Using a peptide calculator. Highly recommended. Don't guess. A peptide reconstitution calculator takes your peptide amount and liquid volume and tells you exactly how many units on your syringe equal your dose. The calculator outputs how much liquid to draw into your syringe. Section 8. Checklist before drawing dose. Confirm vial strength, plus water amount. Enter correct values into calculator. Write down concentration and date on vial. Use correct syringe. A big beginner mistake is forgetting what concentration you made, so always label the vial. Section 9. Drawing your dose. Steps. Disinfect vial top again. Draw air into syringe, equal to planned dose. Inject air into vial to balance pressure. Turn vial upside down. Pull correct units slowly into syringe. Remove air bubbles. Take your time. Accuracy matters. Section 10. Subcutaneous injection basics. Most peptides are injected subcutaneously. This means under the skin, into the fat layer, not into muscle. Injection basics. Clean skin with alcohol, let dry. Pinch skin gently. Insert needle at 90 degrees with short immunization-sized needle. Push plunger slowly. Leave needle in place for approximately 10 seconds. Withdraw needle straight out. Apply light pressure. Do not rub. Common injection sites include abdomen, avoid the 2 inches around belly button, thigh, upper arm. Rotate injection sites to reduce irritation. Section 11. Common mistakes beginners make. Top mistakes to avoid. Not cleaning surfaces or skin. Increases infection risk. Shaking the vial after adding water. Damages peptide. Guessing doses instead of calculating. Mixing cold vials. Condensation can ruin peptide. Forgetting to label concentration and date. Most problems come from measurement and consistency errors, not the peptide itself. Section 12. Aftercare and storage. Dispose of needles in a sharps container immediately. Store reconstituted peptides in the refrigerator unless otherwise instructed. Refrigeration slows degradation and keeps your solution stable. Safe peptide handling is about precision, cleanliness, and clarity, not speed. Know what you're doing and why you're doing it. Micrograms measure the peptide dose. Syringes measure liquid. Calculators connect the two. Follow each step carefully and don't cut corners.